My name is Afrin Khan and I'm in UAE for 7 years. I work as beauty consultant and brand evaluator. So my message is, I don't want women to have power on men, but have power on themselves. Who is woman? Her eyes sparks with passion. Her voice is so sweet to the ears. Her mind filled with determination and positivity. Her heart, which is pure and big enough to hold the compassion. She is a daughter, sister, friend, wife, and mother, spreading her charm all the while. She makes you wear a beautiful smile. Make her feel special by going all the way. Acknowledge her worth every single day.